Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change currency into Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change the currency, you just simply have to open Agoda application at first, and after opening the Agoda application you will get to see this more button at the bottom right. Just simply tap into that option and then you will get to see so many options into here. You just simply have to scroll down a bit and you will get to see this price display option. Now in order to change currency, just simply open that price display option, and into here you can choose all of the available currencies into this section. I'm just simply choosing this British pound into here, and after selecting the desirable currency, it will automatically change the currency. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.